One question which I get asked a lot is that, can I wear flared jeans? I'm short. Or something like, how can I wear flared jeans? Isn't it meant for someone who's taller? Well, I'm going to say it today and I've said it time and again. Flared jeans is my personal favorite and I'm someone who's 5'2". So today I'm going to guide you through on how every short girl can wear a flared jeans and why it should be a wardrobe staple for us, for someone who's short. So first, let's quickly understand the difference between a flared jeans, a bell bottom and a bootcut jeans. A bootcut jeans fits slim throughout the waist, hips and thighs with a slight flare at the bottom, while a flared jeans is a slightly roomier fit, a looser at the waist and the hips, a more comfortable fit. Whereas a bell bottom is an exaggerated flare. It has a large bell-like opening at the knee. So if you're someone who's short or say someone less than 5'3", you should stick with a flared jeans or a boot cut and avoid a bell bottom because it tends to overwhelm you. When reaching out for a flared jeans, the number one rule is getting it tailored. Tailoring is the key. When you walk into a store and you see a jeans which is meant for someone who's probably 5'9", do not shy away from it. You pick it, you try it, and if it fits you perfectly on the waist, hips and thighs, just go ahead and buy it. And then just get the hem tailored. Get all that extra length chopped off. Most of the stores offer in-store alterations for free. So go ahead and ask for it. They might not mention it because it is just extra effort from their end. If that particular store does not offer any such service, then put in that extra effort and go to a local tailor or a local dry cleaner. Trust me, it is going to be worth the effort. So how much of the length has to be altered and chopped, that is the most important detail to look into right now. So your flared jeans should be long enough to cover your heel or at least half of it, but no longer than your footwear. So the general consensus is that it should be 1 inch off the ground, but no longer than that. I personally like it half inch off the ground because that way, it only covers the top of my footwear and you can still see the remaining footwear. Another thing with flared jeans for short girls is that it should be high-waisted for that elongating effect. And if slimming effect is what you're looking at, then it should also be in a darker color to smooth out any bulges. So another very cool thing to try is that in jeans, there is always a section of cropped denim. So something which is cropped and is meant to be worn like that by a tall girl will be a perfect full-length jeans for someone who's short, for someone like us. So just simply ask for a cropped, high-waisted, flared jeans and voila, you don't even need any tailoring. So these were my 2 cents on flared jeans. I hope you like them. And now I want all the girls and ladies out there to get their shopping bags ready and get themselves a perfect flared jeans and just get the length. All